Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and if this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos. Please comment, share, like, just tell everybody about your girl Happy Dimples 39. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And you guys, I have a product review, and this is called By Finishing Touch Flawless Brows. Flawless Brows. This is a perfect for eyebrows, 18 karat plated, gentle on all skin types, built-in light, let you see even the finest hair, and this is precision engineered, and batteries are included. Now this is, I'll say, a flawless brow pen or a flawless brow shaver, razor, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let me see, precision tip. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the package. I have been watching reviews on it, and I thought maybe I would buy one. This cost me $19.99, and I've gotten it from my job. Okay, off my job, which we have a store called Patriot Store, and I got it from there. This is my first time going to use it. I've been watching other people's videos on it, and what I see, I think they like it. For what I see, it's a great product. A great product. And I decided to try it because I shave my eyebrows. I use one of these to shave my eyebrows with. And sometimes I get a little razor and I shave my eyebrows. So this time I am going to touch up my eyebrows using this Flawless Brows pen. Let me go ahead and remove it from the package. Okay, let's see. Open it from the bottom. Okay, nothing in the box. And it has a little pamphlet here. To show you how to install the battery. Hold top and bottom of unit and pull apart. Turn unit on, slide switch to on position to remove hair. Use on clean dry skin, pull skin tight and move in small back and forth motion. And it shows here installing the batteries and how to use for optimal results. And it also comes with another little pamphlet here. And it's telling us, if you buy it, it's telling us, thank you for choosing Flawless Brows. We hope that you enjoy your purchase and welcome your feedback. Tell us what you think. Okay, as a thank you for your opinion, we would like to offer you 10% off of your next Flawless purchase. Please log on to, the www.flawlessbrowsurvey.com and answer a quick survey. Use the special promo code at the end of the survey to save on your next Flawless purchase. Thank you from Flawless Brows. Okay, it's just a thank you note. It has a battery here. I thought maybe it would have been 2, so it's 1. And this is your eyebrow pen. And this is your cleaning brush. Okay, you just pull it apart and you place the battery here. And this is how you turn it on. And it does have a light. So this is what it looks like. Okay. Lightweight, not heavy. Not heavy at all. So I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how I am going to use this on my brows. And remember that it does have a little brush, so you can just clean it. And you can clean from the inside of it too as well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. Okay, you guys, I normally just, you know, shade right up in this area and a little bit on top. Okay, right up in this area and a little bit off top. Okay, and I think this is a perfect eyebrow shaper. This is the best, y'all. This is the best, I think. I'm going to fill my eye, you know, brows in. But when you get ready to shave your eyebrows, I think that this pen here will do it for you. Okay, this is my first time using it. I'm not a pro at this. This is my first time using it, you guys. Okay, I'm just kind of like demonstrating to you guys. I know my brows may not be perfect, but I am showing you guys what this thing can do, and I love it. I love it already. You know, I'm just going to take my time and really, you know, arch my brows. You know, shade my brows really good up in here. And pretty much on top here. And I will fill them in. Peel this paper off because it's showing you where the switch is. And here I'm going to show you how to clean it right quick, okay? You're going to twist it. Okay. Clockwise. There you go. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. It's just not on focus right now. So this is it. You're going to turn it clockwise. And then you're going to take your lip brush and you're going to clean up in here. Get all that hair out. Okay. Then you're going to put it back together. Twist it. Just that easy. Just that easy. There you go. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. So, please come back because you will never know what I have next for you guys. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Come back. Bye-bye.